晚上8點，香港電台最新一節風暴消息。香港天文台發出最新熱帶氣旋警報，8號東南烈風或暴風信號現正生效，表示本港吹東南風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺晚上8時，強烈熱帶風暴暹芭集結喺香港之西南偏南約370公里，即係北緯19.3度、東經112.7度附近，預料向西北移動，時速約16公里，大致移向廣東西部沿岸一帶。按照現時預測路徑，暹芭會喺今晚至明早最接近香港，喺本港西南約300公里附近掠過。本港多處地區現正吹烈風，高地間中更達暴風程度。本地會逐漸由東風轉吹東南風，部分地區會變得當風。8號烈風或暴風信號會喺明早5時前維持。市民明早出門前請留意最新天氣報告。與暹芭相關嘅雨帶會間中為本港帶嚟大驟雨及猛烈陣風。海面有非常大浪及湧浪，市民應遠離岸邊並停止所有水上活動。喺過去1時，昂坪、橫瀾島及長洲泳灘分別錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時84、68及67公里，最高陣風分別為每小時106、81及87公里。8號烈風或暴風信號防風措施報告：受風暴潮影響，低洼地區可能出現嚴重淹浸或海水倒灌，市民應盡量避免進入可能受影響嘅低洼地區及遠離危險地方。光管招牌嘅物主請截斷招牌嘅電源。有關最新天氣消息，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分及踏正嘅風暴消息。
8 o'clock in the evening, Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. Here is the latest tropical cyclone warning bulletin issued by the Hong Kong Observatory. The number 8 southeast gale or storm signal is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 kilometers per hour or more are expected from the southeast quarter. At 8 p.m., severe tropical storm Chaba was centered about 370 kilometers south-southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 19.3 degrees north, 112.7 degrees east, and is forecast to move northwest at about 16 kilometers per hour in the general direction of the coast of western Guangdong. According to the present forecast track, Chaba will be closest to Hong Kong tonight and tomorrow morning, which is 2 July, skirting about 300 kilometers to the southwest of the territory. Gale force winds are affecting many places of Hong Kong, while winds on high ground even reach storm force occasionally. Local winds will turn gradually from the east to the southeast. Some places may become more exposed. Number 8 gale or storm signal will remain in force before 5 a.m. tomorrow. Members of the public are advised to take note of the latest weather information before leaving home tomorrow morning. The rain bands associated with Chaba will bring occasional heavy showers and violent gusts to Hong Kong. Seas are very rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded in Gongping, Waglan Island and Chun Shou Beach were 84, 68 and 67 kilometers per hour with maximum gusts 106, 81 and 87 kilometers per hour respectively. As for the precautionary announcements with number 8 signal, owing to storm surge, low-lying areas may have serious flooding or backflow of seawater. You should avoid going to likely affected low-lying areas and stay away from dangerous places. Owners of neon signs should switch off the electricity supply to the signs. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on the radio for the latest weather information broadcast in every hours at 15, 30, 45, and o'clock. And that's all for the typhoon update.
呢一節風暴消息報導完畢。